Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Apple Watch Ultra 2. To begin, familiarize yourself with the digital crown on the side for scrolling and zooming, and the side button for the dock and Apple Pay. Your always-on Retina display boasts an incredible 3000 nits of brightness, making it easy to see in any light. Customize your watch face with complications to quickly access your most important information and apps. Your Ultra 2 is a powerful health companion. It continuously monitors your heart rate, blood oxygen levels, and provides detailed sleep tracking to help you understand your body better. The advanced dual-frequency GPS ensures incredibly accurate workout metrics, even in dense urban environments or challenging trails. Plus, new temperature sensing capabilities offer deeper insights into your overall well-being. For your outdoor adventures, the Enhanced Compass app is invaluable, offering precise waypoints and a backtrack feature to guide you home. In emergencies, the built-in siren can emit a loud 86 decibel sound to attract attention. And with water resistance up to 100 meters, your watch is ready for serious water sports, including recreational diving. Personalize your Ultra 2 with a wide array of watch bands and customizable faces to match your style and needs. Enjoy an impressive battery life of up to 36 hours with normal use, ensuring it keeps up with your busiest days. For even longer adventures, activate low power mode, which extends the battery life to an incredible 72 hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.